Okay, so the first one on this list is CoolVibe. Now, CoolVibe is a digital art and inspiration blog. So they showcase wallpapers, fantasy art, concept art, anime illustration videos every day. And those illustrations and art are created by web's most notable artists. So that's about CoolVibe. Now, how you can use it. So let's just suppose you are a digital artist and you want some inspiration for your next artwork. So they do have some art pieces on their homepage, but if you want to be more specific about it, you can just go right here, which calls the tab called digital art, and you can go ahead and choose what kind of art you want. So let's just suppose you're looking for inspiration to make landscapes, so you can just go ahead and click on landscape, and it will open up all of the inspiration artworks that they have posted for that category. So you can go ahead and take inspiration from there, and yeah, they also give you the artist name as well. So let's just suppose if I click onto this one, it just gives me the whole information about the artwork, and if you want to see related posts, you can just go ahead and see that as well. Now, if you want to be more specific regarding to the style of an artwork or illustration, then you can just go ahead and click on style, and let's just suppose you are into concept art. Just go ahead and click that, and here you have a whole lot of concept artwork that they have showcased here. So that's about CoolVibe, and I really like that. And they also have wallpapers all about art. So this website is actually all about inspiration. It's like an inspiration blog that you can use to take some inspiration for your next artwork. Okay, so the next one is Deviantart. Now, Deviantart has this huge collection of beautiful artworks. So it's like a Instagram but for artists. Now you can share your artworks right here, or you can just come here to get inspired. It's totally your choice. But I have just recently started using it for art inspiration, and yeah, I actually love it. So what else you can do here is you can also get paid for your artwork, as you can see here, and you can sell your custom creations to people who love your style. So let's just say you started posting on Deviantart and you established yourself as as an amazing artist that you are. So then you can start selling your creations if people love it, if people want to buy it. So Deviantart is also good for doing commissions as well. So it's like a huge artist community that you can use, not just for getting inspired, but also to share your artwork, to get paid. And they also have their phone application that you can use. So this is amazing, you guys. I highly recommend you guys to be on Deviantart if you're a beginner. Okay guys, so the next one is Paintable. Now Paintable is like a perfect guide for digital painting. So if you're a beginner, you can go ahead and check their website out. So they do have some courses, they have free tutorials, but my favorite part is the inspiration blog, and they actually have a huge inspirational artworks that they have posted on their website. So you can just go ahead and check those out. If you're a beginner, I think Paintable is for you. They're providing amazing artwork to get inspired. They're providing you with tutorials, they're providing you with courses, free courses, premium courses as well. So I know this video is not about courses or anything of that sort, but I think this is something I highly recommend for a beginner. I have talked about Paintable in my previous videos as well. I don't remember in what video, but yeah, you should actually check this out. Okay guys, so the next one is ArtStation. Now, ArtStation is similar to Deviantart, but it is a little bit different. Here you can create your own portfolio. So as you can see here, you can create your own portfolio website. You can get your custom domain name, and you can have beautiful themes to showcase your work, as in your portfolio. You can also sell your digital artworks. You can also sell your prints. And ArtStation is also good because you can also be seen by the right people. You can get hired here. So ArtStation is actually really good for any digital artist. They have this huge collection of beautiful artworks by various artists. And you can also go ahead and go to marketplace. You can either buy some art pieces, you can sell, you can learn. They also have art jobs as well, which is quite amazing. I don't think on Deviantart you're just selling your products, but here you can actually get a job out of your art, which is amazing. You can go ahead and take part in challenges. So that is not what we are talking about in this video, but the fact that they have this huge collection of artworks makes me feel it's a good platform to get inspired for your next artwork. So that is why I think ArtStation and Deviantart are the two of my favorites that you can use to get inspired, to sell, to share, everything of that sort. So that is why I highly recommend, if you're a beginner, go ahead and create your account on ArtStation and Deviantart. And yeah, I highly recommend that. Okay, so the last one is something which everybody uses, which is Pinterest. Now, I've been using Pinterest, I don't know for how many years now. And whenever I am looking for some good reference image or some reference artwork to get inspired, I just jump onto Pinterest. That is how I am. And it is a good resource for that as well. You can literally find anything on Pinterest. Any art style, any type of art form, you can just find on Pinterest. So that is why I recommend using Pinterest as well. So that is it for today's video, you guys. I really hope you guys found this video helpful, and if you did, please do not forget to give this video a big thumbs up. I post every Monday and Thursday. So yeah, and also subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys the next time.